Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K7T and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start first of all with making sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. However, it does not really matter that much, so you can use mobile data. And then let's enter the settings. Here all we have to do is to tap on About Phone at the top and tap on this Xiaomi Hyper OS. And as you can see right now, your device is checking for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your device does not show you any kind of updates, which means that you're up to date and there's nothing to download and everything is okay. And we've got also the second scenario where your device will show you the new update, will show of course the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and what are the pros of this new update, and you will be able to simply tap on download or install or something like that, and your device will apply the new update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.